Those next generation needs meet where they
to hear their melodic voices. They sing like the archangels.
Over the years, the Sacco has grown in laps and boards and is now the largest Sacco in Africa in terms of membership. Unaitas is also hailed as the first Sacco to automate or computerize its operation with its vision of being the preferred financial solution provider.
This is a society that has the greatest number. 400,000 members is not a small number. Those who are in the business of cooperatives know that recruitment entails a lot of things. You have to convince, you have to entice, you have to talk about dividends and interest on deposits for people to join you. But in your case, you have been able to grow very fast. As at last year, I was talking about 300,000 members. And now we are talking about 400,000 members.